What's up YouTube? Welcome back. My name is Janaka.
And I'm Steven, and this is Too Lazy for Google. On today's episode,
we have the B-roll rematch.
It's September, it's Toronto, I got a Lumix, he's got a Sony.
It's on. Let's hit it.
Done.
So on today's episode, we have the B-roll rematch. Last time we did it, we used Steven's camera, we used Steven's gimbal. I was pretty much learning Steven's equipment while doing this competition.
Nothing wrong with that.
So now I have my own gear, so it's time to bring it.
Exactly. So for today, Janaka is going to use his Sony and a Zhiyun Crane Plus, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Exactly. I'm going to use my Lumix G85, which is a bump above the G7 that I used before. So now I'm doing a bit of a gear upgrade, but I'm still using my good old trusty Zhiyun Crane V2. So let's see what these two different cameras with two different gimbals can capture, and you guys get to vote on what you like better.
That's right. And this time, I get to go first. Here we go.
Done.
A few moments later.
And focused, yeah, cool. One thing we forgot to mention is that we're both using a Sigma 16mm f1.4 lens.
All that Sigma.
All right, let's go.
Okay, there we go. There was my B-roll. No need to see Steven's. We already know who won.
Roll my B-roll, please. Alright, cool. So there you have it. Two different B-rolls, two different cameras.
No excuses.
Exactly.
You guys decide who wins this time. This is for all the keeps.
Exactly. And please hit that like and subscribe button below. Leave a comment. Give us some feedback. Tell us what you like of our strange shooting styles here in Nathan Phillips Square in Toronto. And we'll catch you
next time.
That's right.
See ya.
Driven in plus cars, this life is a rap star, it's nothing without